Naiyak ako.
Nanood ako ng last appearance ni John Cena dito sa Madison Square Garden sa New York City. Sold out arena dito sa MSG, buti nakakuha ko ng ticket. First things first, kumuha muna ako ng merch. In fairness, hindi ganun kamahal at makikita mo agad ang raw crowd sa MSG. Grabe, first time ko to, ang hype. Nagkaroon ng pre-show match tas kinanta ang God Bless America. Grabe yung intro ng Rotas. Ito na yung pinaka-inihintay ko. The last time is now na nga, grabe. This is giving me a lot of goosebumps.
Celebrating with each and every one of you here tonight for his last Monday Night Raw appearance in the world famous Madison Square Garden in New York City. One final time, the last real champion, John Cena!
At hindi ka talaga napigilan.
Naiyak ako.
Tas bigla nag-interrupt si Dominic Mysterio. Tas sinama niya si John Cena ng rematch, tapos binugbog si John Cena ng Judgment Day. Then buti na lang bumakap si Sheamus tsaka si Rey Mysterio syempre. Tas nagkaroon ng laban 3v3. May vintage Rey Mysterio pa. Syempre hindi papatalo si Dirty Dom. Then here goes John Cena. Next naman, vintage Sheamus. Then ito ang highlight ng match. Nag-slam si Cena, si Sheamus, at si Rey Mysterio. And grabe, sobrang na-appreciate ko dito si Sheamus. What a class act. Sabay na rin ako, you can see me. Then ang finale, sobrang epic. Since bata pa lang ako, favorite ko na to si John Cena. Grabe, priceless moment. And dream come true na naabutan ko to. Tas after, nakipagbugbugan pa sila Dom Mysterio sa mga icons ng New York. Next segment, inintroduce si Stephanie Baker. Pero, etong si Nikki Bella, tinake out siya. Then nag-proceed na kay Solo Sikoa. Grabe, iba rin talaga aura niya at may surprise opponent siya.
And his opponent,
Dolph Ziggler, grabe, hindi ko na-expect to.
Oh my God!
And just as expected, napakagaling ni Dolph Ziggler dito sa laban na to. And hindi lang para sa sarili niya, kung hindi para kay Solo Sikoa. Tas plot twist, nabaliktad tas nanalo si Solo. Next segment, yung matagal ko ng crush, si Alexa Bliss. Tingnan mo namang smirk yan, grabe. Tas nagkagulo na, bumakap si Io Sky tsaka si Rhea Ripley. Hanggang napatumba si Alexa Bliss. Tas buti, bumakap si Charlotte Flair. At ito na yung teaser natin sa upcoming na War Games. Next, nag-entrance ng Women's Intercontinental Champion na si Becky Lynch laban kay Maxine Dupri for the Women's Intercontinental title. Nagkaroon pa ng konting tribute kay Bray Wyatt, tas grabe si Maxine Dupri at hindi papatalo syempre si Becky Lynch. Kasama na rin dyan yung reklamo sa ref. And grabe, nandito si AJ Lee! At natalo si Becky Lynch, the new Women's Intercontinental Champion, Maxine Dupri. Then, ito na ang match of the night, si Evans versus the Ring General, Gunther. Grabe tong match na to, guys. Panoorin nyo. Nag-start sa pag-dominate ni Gunther. At syempre, nagpakitang gila si Evans. Hanggang sa nabawi din ni Gunther. And nanalo si Gunther by submission. And last but not the least, ito na yung finale, yung division. Of course, with Logan Paul, kasama rin ni Drew McIntyre. At ito yung matagal ko nang gusto mapanood in person.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Heyman. His name is Drew McIntyre. His name is Logan Paul. His name is Baron Breaker. And it's time that you all acknowledge the tribal thief, Bronson Reed.
Then nag-entrance ang isa ko pang favorite na WWE superstar na si CM Punk. CM Punk! Then napayit ako sa Usos. Tas ito hindi ko in-expect, grabe, the American Nightmare Cody Rhodes is here. Tas diretso bakbakan na agad sila. Grabe to si Logan Paul palaban. Then si CM Punk syempre bumawi with the Bulldog kay Logan Paul at ito na. GTS by CM Punk, pero ito nagulat ako. Brock Lesnar, hindi ko in-expect, tas nag-suplex City. Tas si Cody Rhodes naman, dominating si Brock, pero nandito rin pala ang tribal chief na si Roman Reigns. Acknowledge him. Tas nag-face off pa sila ni Brock Lesnar. Nag-dominate si Roman Reigns, tas nagkagulo na rin sa baba. 3D by the Usos. Cody Cutter sa table! At ito na po yung teaser sa War Games. Tas ito na po, nagkakasundo na. Then after my heartfelt message si Cody Rhodes for John Cena, kasabay din ni CM Punk.
And John Cena's always been on top, and tonight we all witness history, a special moment. John Cena got to perform in the world's most famous arena in front of the greatest fans for one more time. Because tonight's not about me, it's about John Cena. Thank you, Cena.
Thank you, Cena! Thank you, Cena! Thank you, Cena!
But I think we gotta end the night with that song, so play John Cena's music.
Grabe, this is such a surreal moment. My first Raw, been fan of John Cena ever since I was a kid. And he's retiring soon and I get to watch him one last time live. Thank you, John Cena.